Welcome to the Operations Evaluation Web Tool Training Series. In this training video, you will learn how to complete a Level 2 safety evaluation in the web tool. The Level 2 Safety Analysis training syllabus includes the following: training and web tool requirements, Level 2 safety analysis, Level 2 safety analysis video walkthrough in a separate video, and your next steps. For this class, you will need the following: your web browser and this video, Level 2 Safety Analysis Training Guide. To follow along and access the Operations Evaluation solution, you will need the following: your Windows login credentials, two-factor authentication activation for OnBase through Ping, an account in the OnBase web tool created after you have logged in the first time, and the OnBase website shown here. This training video assumes that you have watched the basic overview and login video. If you have not logged in or watched the video, please do those tasks before you proceed. Before we get started, please note the following. When you start an analysis, you can save your progress at any time by clicking the Save icon at the top of the screen. You can also complete one location and come back another day to finish the other locations if analysis is taking some time. The system is designed to help get the analysis started, track progress, and report back to the project manager and RTRL. If there is an automatic Level 2 safety analysis, the 4 Level 2 safety questions assume you have done a preliminary crash history analysis. If you see another completed analysis for other specialties, you can click the Recommendations tab at the top of the evaluation screen and see an active list of applied recommendations from other RTRs. Save frequently, and if you find that you do not have all the evaluation information, you can always come back to the analysis to finish it. A Level 2 safety analysis should take about 2 to 6 months, depending on workloads and project characteristics. The Safety RTR is responsible for each of the following Level 2 analysis tasks: reviewing each request, project information, Level 1 analyses, if any, historical crash data, and past safety evaluations for the project limits. Answering the Level 2 safety questions and performing offline safety analyses. Adding notes and relevant documents to the evaluation. Developing, evaluating, and adding custom Level 2 recommendations to the recommendations table, and completing the analysis. After you log in and open the status view, click on the Operations Evaluation RTR group layout. Then click on the project that has the In Progress status to open the project evaluation window. The first step for a Level 2 safety analysis is to review the project information, Level 1 safety analyses, if any, historical crash data, and past safety evaluations for the project limits. Once the project loads, be sure to review the additional or supplemental information and/or any notes. If the PM, RTRL, or other RTRs have loaded this, it can be found in the Documents and Notes table at the bottom of the window. Next, you will scroll up to review the due dates located at the top of the evaluation window. After reviewing the scope, we are ready to answer the Level 2 safety questions for each location. Double-click on the first location to open the evaluation window. Each question in the system for each analysis is set at a default no answer. RTRs will only need to change the answer to yes for the questions that are specific for their project analysis. Click the pencil icon to edit the table. Location analysis will take quite a bit of time as you gather all of the pertinent information for your analysis and data. Each question requires gathering of offline data and performing engineering analyses. These questions are to ensure an RTR performs the required analysis for each project. There are 4 questions to answer and review. Select Yes for each question that data and project information supports. Do not forget to save your work often. RTRs do not have to click on the Analysis Complete box yet. Only click this box when the analysis is 100%. RTRs must click Analysis Complete for any question that has a status of required. In this example, all the questions have a status of required and do need a checked box under Analysis Complete. Only check the box if you perform an analysis for optional questions. Click the pencil icon to stop editing the table. To get more information on each of the analysis items, check the Traffic Safety Engineering website, which can be accessed on the C.Hub webpage, or reach out to your Traffic Safety Engineering branch resource. Scroll down in the analysis window until you see the Documents table. Here, RTRs can review all attached documentation and the original evaluation request. RTRs can also upload documents for RTRL and Project Manager review. Click on the green upward pointing arrow to attach documents. An attached document window will open. Files can be dragged and dropped into the dark gray area, or select the Choose File button to load files. When the files are selected, click the blue Import button at the bottom of the window. If the import turns green, click X on the right-hand corner to exit the window. Files up to 25 megabytes can be imported. If a project has a large number of files, or files of a large size, we recommend including a memo with embedded links to view the files. Scroll down to the Notes table. Any notes added in location windows will copy to the main evaluation window when the user saves. RTRs can add notes for the RTRL or Project Manager by clicking the green plus icon at the top of the table. Write the notes in the Note text field and then click on the Save and Close icon to close the window. There are no automatically generated patterns for a Level 2 safety analysis. If there are no patterns after refreshing the table, this step can be skipped. Scroll down to the Recommendations table. There are no automatically generated recommendations for Level 2 safety analysis, but RTRs can add their own custom recommendations. Be sure to give enough details and supporting documents to justify each recommendation. Detailed descriptions are critical for project managers to understand what the recommendations mean and to differentiate between similar recommendations. Click on the pencil icon to edit the table. You can add your own recommendation to the table by clicking the blue Add New Row button and then adding the pattern, recommendation, and description. Type in NA for the pattern field unless there is a technical pattern to use. After you add your recommendation, your description can include important notes and mile marker information. Click on the pencil icon again to stop editing the table. Click once on a recommendation to select it. Groups of recommendations can also be selected if needed. If and only if an RTR wants a recommendation to apply to all locations, click on the Apply Recommendations to All Locations icon on the far right side of the table. Do not click the icon for all recommendations. Doing so could cause a duplication of recommendations and lead to confusion for the project manager. When the Level 2 safety analysis for a location is complete, click on the Analysis Complete icon on the right side of the screen. This must be done for each location. Click the Save and Close icon at the top of the screen and repeat the analysis steps for each location. Each time you complete an analysis of a location, the system saves the date and time of the completion. You can click the Refresh button at the top of the screen, and the location analysis table should update if not already showing a date. This will help you remember when each location is finished. When all locations are complete, find the Completed Entire Analysis icon on the right-hand side of the screen. Click it to complete the analysis. Click the Save and Close button at the top of the screen to close the evaluation window. The software demonstration walkthrough is a separate video located on our Learning Lane site. It is available under the Traffic Safety Team group. Your next steps. Once you have logged in for the first time, wait for your notification that your roles are set up. If you are a project manager, view our PM training manuals and videos on Learning Lane. If you are a Region Traffic Representative Liaison or Region Traffic Representative, view our training manuals and videos on Learning Lane. There is more information at our website, the training site, and more information is also available through the Operation Evaluation Web Tool administrators. Please contact an administrator with any questions you may have. Their contact information is listed here.